I'm Jane from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 12-inch combination star quilt block. You will need two 5 3/4 inch squares in background fabric and two 5 3/4 inch squares in fabric A. You'll also need 20 2.5 inch squares in background fabric. In the photo there are only 16 shown, but you will need to cut 20. You will also need four 4.5 inch squares in fabric B and one 4.5 inch square in fabric C. Making the quarter square triangles. Select the 5 3/4 inch squares. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of the background fabric, as shown. Pin in the corners and sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the line. Cut along the line. As shown in the photo. Press the seams to the darker fabric. Draw a diagonal line on the back of one of these units across the seam, as shown in this photo. Lay the units right sides together, nesting the seam with opposite fabrics on top of each other. Pin in the corners and then sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the line. Cut along the line. As shown in the photo. Press and repeat once more to make 4 in total. Trimming the quarter square triangles. Lay the seam under the diagonal line of the ruler. The intersection needs to be at 2.25 inches in both directions, shown with the arrows on the photo. Trim along the edge. Turn the unit round and place the intersection at 2.25 inches in both directions again. Trim along the edge and keep rotating until all 4 sides are trimmed. I like to use a more specialist ruler for trimming. I like Quilt in a Day triangle square up ruler. I just feel I get better results from this. Making the square in a square units. On the wrong side of the 2.5 inch squares, mark a diagonal line. as shown in the photo. Select a 4.5 inch square and a 2.5 inch square. With right sides together, place the small square in the corner with the diagonal line as shown. Pin in place and then sew on the line. Cut a 1/4 inch away from the line as shown, and then press with the seams towards the corner fabric. Working round the unit, pin the next small square in the next corner with the diagonal line as shown. Sew on the line. Now here's a tip: I like to sew towards the bulkier end with the seam where I can. Cut a 1/4 inch away from the seam as shown, and then press the seams towards the corner fabric. Working round the unit, pin the next small square in the next corner with the diagonal line as shown. Sew on the line and cut a 1/4 inch away from the seam as shown. Then press with the seam towards the corner fabric. Working round the unit, pin the last small square in the last corner with the diagonal line as shown. Sew on the line and cut a 1/4 inch away from the seam as shown. Press with the seams towards the corner fabric and repeat with all other units. There are 5 in total. Block layout. Press your unit and lay in the block layout. In columns, pin in pairs. The pins indicate where the seams will be sewn. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam, return to block layout. There's no need to press yet. Pin the bottom units onto the columns. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and return to block layout. Press with the seams open. This will help you match up your points. Pin in columns and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Return to the block layout. Pin in columns, matching seams and points. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Press the seams open. Congratulations, you have made the combination star block. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.